Hello everyone, welcome today. Um it's actually today Thursday. We don't have any extra Sudoku, so I've decided to solve the yesterday's newspaper, the edition of yesterday, Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. We have here 3 puzzles left. Letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, and a tectonic. So I continue with the rest of the puzzles in the additional in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, and this one will be a number. Let me see. This will be number 3568. 3568. Yes. 3568. Before I start, I always count the printed letters. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 5 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 6, 27 printed letters. We have here the L, the S, the H, the E, the C, the A, the I, the M, and the T. And for letter Sudoku with 27 printed digits, suppose these are no letters, but digits, then I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think I need, because this is a letter Sudoku, I cannot do any double check. And those letters are every time not the same. Letters, digits are always 1 to 9. So I need more time, 15 to 20 minutes. It's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the C in this column? C in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the C should be there. Then E. Then how about well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is an M. We see here an M, no M there. Here an M, no M there. There an M, no M there. The only place for the M should be there. Alright. Okay. We have an H in the first column, H in the second column. So the third column, only place for the H should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an L. We see an L, no L in these 2 boxes. There an L, no L in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the L should be there. Alright. How about with A in the last row, A in the row above, so that row, only place for the A should be there. A in this column, A in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the A should be there. Then. How about? Ooh. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. The L in this column, L in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the L should be down. E. In H. I. Okay. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an L. We see an L in this row, so no L in these two boxes. So one box left for the L. Should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. For the letters I is missing, and the M is missing. I and the M. We see here an M, no M there. M should be here, and the I goes there. So we have M in the first column, M in the second column. So the third column, the only three places for the M should be here, or there. We see there an M, no M there. Here an M, no M there. The only place for the M should be there. All right. I'm thinking the M in this column, the M in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. M in this column, M in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be there. And all the M's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter M. T in this row, T in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the T should be there. Two missing letters in the last row for the letters I and H. I and H are missing. We see an I, no I there. I should be here, and the H goes there. All right. Then. S and and the H. Two missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the I is missing and the H is missing. We see here an H, so no H there. H should be here and I goes there. So two missing letters in this big square for letters. I is missing and the S is missing. I and the S. We see here an I, no I there. I should be here and the S goes there. Two missing letters in this row for the letters. L is missing. And S is missing. L and the S. We see an S, no S there. S should be here. And the L goes there. Two letters missing in this big square for the letters. C is missing. And A is missing. C and, no, not the A. We have an A here. The E. C and the E. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Two missing letters in the middle column. The H is missing. And the E is missing. H and the E. Well, I know what the word is. Algemist. 12 minutes, yeah. Let me continue with the puzzle. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. S is missing. And the H is missing. H and the S. H and the S. So one letter is missing in this column. For the I is missing. Yeah, I. The I is missing. So we have an I in this row, I in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the I should be here or there. We see that I, no I there. I should be there. Yeah. How about we have a pair, the I and the L in this row, the I and the L in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the I and the L should be in those two boxes as a pair, I and the L. We have an I there, no I there. I should be here and the L goes there. So we have an L in this column, L in the second column. So third column, the only two places for the L should be here or there. We see that L, no L there. L should be here. L in this row, L in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the L should be there. And all the L's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter L. Yeah. A. Yeah. 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those letters are the A and the S. We see here an A and an S in this row, so no A and an S in these two boxes. The A and the S goes in those two boxes as a pair. S. Yes, S. A-S. So what are the other two letters in this big square? Those letters are the T is missing. And the letter T is missing. Yeah, T and the E. Yeah, the T and the E. T and the E. Let me mark those. T and the E. Two missing letters in the first column. Also T and the E. We see here an E. No E there. E should be here. And the T goes there. So one box left in this big square for the letter T. Okay. Now we have an E there. So this box can't be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an H. Alright. Two missing letters in this row for the letters. T is missing. We have a T there, so no T there. T should be here. And the letter H is missing. The H, yes. Let me put the H here. So we have a H in the last column. H in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the H should be here or there. We see there an H, no H there, H should be here. Now we have an H there, so this box can't be H anymore, that box should be an H, and this box should be an S. Two missing letters in the third row for the letters. A is missing, and the E is missing. A and the E. We have an A there, no A there. A should be here, and the E goes there. So we have A in the last column, A in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the A should be there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. E is missing. And the C is missing. E and the C. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here. And the C goes there. Now we have an E there. So this box can't be E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be a C. So we have a C in the last column. C in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the C should be there. C in the first row. C in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only two places for the C should be here or there. We see there C, no C there, C should be here. Two missing letters. The A and the S. A and the S. Look, we have an A there, no A there. A should be here. And the S goes there. One box left in this big square for the letter S. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing. And the E is missing. We have an E there. No E there. E should be here. And the A goes there. One box left in this first row for the letter. T. Yeah, the T is missing. And the final letter in this big square for the letter S is missing. Yes. Finish in 80 minutes. Yes, I've told you 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve this kind of puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye-bye for now.